and welcome back to my channel. Today I am with my Aunt Jannelle in her kitchen, and we are going to be reorganizing her kitchen. What do you envision this kitchen to be?
Organized. It's got to be functional. Right now, it looks kind of like it's been tried to be organized, but it's not functionable, and I don't know how to make it organized and functionable and still have everything that I want and need in my kitchen.
Yep. And she is hoping to start her own YouTube channel, a cooking show. So it is very important that we get this kitchen into shape so she can start that. So let's get started.
Let's go. This one left.
We got started with her dishes and went through everything. We got rid of travel mugs and lids that didn't have a match. She also wanted to get rid of any of the dishes that were chipped. Next, we moved on to her pantry. I grouped similar things together. At the bottom, the pull-out drawer had been broken, so I decided to put the extra Ziploc bags and wax paper and that kind of stuff down there. I was very pleased with how much my aunt decided to part with. She had even recently gone through her kitchen and got rid of some items, so she really wasn't expecting to get rid of that much stuff. I had a bit of trouble trying to fit all of the baking stuff. My dilemma was we wanted to move the KitchenAid over by the sink so my aunt would have more space for baking, but I was having a hard time getting everything to fit in that corner cupboard. We decided that we would move the most essential things over to the cupboard by the sink, and then the extra stuff would be over in the other corner cupboard. And then as she's baking, she can decide whether certain items should be in one cupboard or the other. Well, that's it for this video. If you want to see more transformations, be sure to hit the subscribe button because I post a new video every Friday. See you in the next one. Bye!